let it see what this. What is this? Nama.
Oo.
Can I make a new one?
Whew.
Okay.
Pagod pa.
No tea, okay?
Pagod.
No.
Jelana, what are you doing? Where's your sister? School bus. Not yet. You waiting for a long, long time. Oh. Oh, I see it. Buti na lang wala nang trabaho si Lolo, nag-retired na. So siya nang taga-sundo. Ako naman ang pasok ngayon.
What is this?
I.
1.
Oh, 1 or L?
1.
Where's your sister?
Here.
12 minutes till the oven goes off.
You got time too.
Ayun. Kaya lang, hindi naman nabawasan ang appetite ko. Kain pa rin, uy.
Ryan's going guiding tomorrow. Starting out.
Oh, he's not going to work? He lost weight. He kind of like evolved his face to something.
Well, what happened was, I think he started working up there, gained weight, got rid of it real quick.
Wow, lucky for him. He can lose just like that.
Now, go hike in front of the mountains and don't eat much. That'll take it right off. I've been 31 years old. 30 years old.
Yeah.
No chili, man. A-B-A.
A.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot to take the photo.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Ganado pa rin kumain. Where's your sister? Where your sister? Where your sister? Where? What letter? T. None yet.
Dad, you kicked me.
You should take your Band-Aid off.
It's your hole.
No, you gotta be tough.
No. The hole.
Here, I'll take it off.
No.
Go like this. You put your hand on it, look over there and go whoop, and you would never know.
It's your hole. Yeah, you can do
You gotta be an elastic girl. You're be tough.
me. Okay.
You're tough.
Oh, school bus! Wala ng signal. Come on, Jelana. Oo, my word. Okay, ganun mo na yung pangalan. Yung kamay mo doon. Ayan. Or here you go. Jelana, come on, ready. You just stand up over here. Here, no, here. They want to see you. Yeah, school bus. Yay! And then school bus. Here comes the school bus. Andito na yung kambal. Yeah. Stand up with mom. Ayan, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, school bus. Yay! Kaway, kaway. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Yan ang kambal. Yan siya, guys. Bawal mag-stop lahat yan. Bawal ang mag-overtake. Huli ng pulis. Hi, Jelana, Jade. Ayan. So, kailangan nakasarado. Ay, kailangan safe lahat. Nice, yeah. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Hi, Jade. Jelana, goes right.